Welcome back to Engineer World, and today I'm going to tell you how to hide and unhide something in your system. Suppose you want to hide a folder, a file, a music file, your video, your something in your system, then just follow this step. Click on this PC, your drive. Suppose you create a new folder and new file. Just press Ctrl F1 or simply view. So just in the after Windows 7 you can simply see this checkbox with a hidden item. So just if when you will click hide, you can see when you will untick it, your document will be like unhide. So just suppose you want to click on this and just click on the properties, like if you want to just hide file name. See, as you can see, it's file, and suppose you want to hide this folder, so hide item. So as you can see, when the new person will come into your drive, so there's no new folder and your document is very protected. But in if you are using the previous system, then just click on the option change folder and option in the view. Just you can see hidden files and folder, don't hidden or show hidden files. Okay, so this and this, as you can see, this folder and this document is hide, so it will it's like folder image is very blur and its document image is blur. So by this you can see like these files and folder are hidden. So just, and that's it, you can hide your folder and something. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Engineers World.